Hello, Pampered Chef friends. Today is August 10th, and yesterday I got my Tastebuds subscription in the mail. If you're not familiar with what Tastebuds is, Pampered Chef has a monthly subscription service where you get a package like this in the mail each month. I'll go ahead and open it up and show you everything that is inside of the August mailing. Now you can get the Tastebuds subscription month to month where you pay on a monthly basis. You can do a 3-month subscription, or you can do a 6-month subscription. The 3 and 6 month are paid in advance and you end up saving money. All 3 options are free shipping. So each month you're gonna get 3 packets of seasoning along with recipes to use those 3 packets of seasoning. So like I said, this is August of 2021. So this month they sent a ranch, a honey sriracha seasoning, and a garlic parmesan seasoning. Now note, none of these seasonings are available to other customers right now, only to Tastebuds subscribers. So you have your 3 seasonings, and each packet is enough seasoning for 2 to 3 recipes. And then it'll come with 3 different recipe cards. For example, 1 pot garlic parmesan pasta, and on the back it'll give you change-ups for the recipes in case you don't like dairy, you don't eat meat, you're vegetarian, vegan. We have baked chicken drumsticks with the ranch seasoning, and sriracha shrimp tacos with the honey sriracha. Now, this is a great way to try out seasonings without committing to buying a whole entire bottle of the seasoning. But coming September 1st is something even more exciting. Coming September 1st, if you are a Tastebuds subscriber, you will be able to add on to your monthly Tastebuds delivery certain items that are in the marketplace. Like say they give you a seasoning, they give you these packets of seasoning, but you know what? I love the dill mix, and I got the dill mix a couple months ago. I want to buy a whole entire bottle of the dill without paying for shipping just for a bottle of the dill seasoning. So during a certain time period, you can go on and add on to your Tastebuds seasoning delivery, so that in addition to your 3 seasonings, you'll get a full bottle of whatever seasoning you decided you wanted. Also some products too. It won't be available to first, like if you signed up right now, I don't think that the very first month that you sign up for this, you can add on, but subsequent months you could. So that's a really exciting Pampered Chef product that is exciting to get in the mail every month. You never know what you're gonna get. You don't know what recipes you're gonna get. And it's nice because there are other meal subscriptions that you can get, but they send you every ingredient. And if you don't like some of those ingredients, you end up tossing them, which is such a waste. Whereas this is a seasoning, you can make it this week. If you don't have time to make it this week, I can make it in 2 weeks. It's not gonna go bad. So if you have any questions, just reach out and I will be happy to answer them. Bye guys.